Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's class is going to be very interesting. Why it is going to be very interesting? Because today we are going to learn how to find a square of a number nearest to 100 with a trick. Actually, in normal method, if I going to multiply this number, 3-digit number, if we're going to take the square, then it will take a long time and there is a chances to get mistake. But today I'll show in this video, I'll show you a trick so that easily you can find out the solutions without calculations with the help of a trick. Now have a look how we'll get the trick. So trick is that, so there are 4 different type of questions are there. These two are 3 digits numbers, you have to find out the square. Here are 2-digit numbers, you have to find out the square. For the 3-digit number, the trick is different as to the 2-digit number. So first I will solve the 3-digit numbers, how to going to find the square of a 3-digit numbers. If it is this type, 106 square, this number is nearest to the 100. But in this case, here 106, that is 6 is more than 100. If it is more, then the rule is that this number is 6 more than the 100. It's nearest to the 100, but it is 6 more. So in that case, the trick is that you have to take this number 106. All right. Then you have to plus this unit digit. Okay. Then you have to take the square of 6. Okay, this number 106 plus the unit digit number, then the square of unit digit. So what we will get? 106 plus 6, that is 112, and 6 square means 36, right? So this will be the answer. If you do it in a calculator also, you will get the same results, right? Isn't it very interesting? Similar patterns. This is also 3-digit number. This is 104. Here 4 more than the 100. Though the number is nearest to the 100, but it is 4 more. So in that case also you have to take plus sign. So the trick is that take the numbers, the 3-digit number, then here you have to add the unit digit. Here the unit digit is 4, then square of the unit digits. Since the unit digit is 4, I have taken the unit digits. Now we are going to simplify 104 plus 4, that will give me 108, and the square of 4 4 are 16. So this is the final results of the square of 104. So this is the case, this is the trick in case to find out the square of a 3-digit number. But now we are going to find out the square of 2-digit number. That will be little bit different than the square of the 3-digit number. Here the trick is little bit different. Though 94 is nearest to 100, but it is shortest of 6. So 94 is the shortest of 6 to 100, right? 6 shortest to 100. So in that case, what we have to do? We have to take minus sign. If it is more, then we have to take plus. See, because here 6 more than the 100, then I have taken plus. But here 94 is less than 100. How much less? 6 is less. So in that case we have to take minus. The number itself 94 minus 6, because 6 shortest to 100. Then the 6 square. The number which is shortest, you have to take the square. Here 94 minus 6, that will give you 88, and the square of 6, that will give me 36. So 8836 is the square of 94. Similarly here, this number is shortest of 2 to 100, right? 2 shortest to 100. So in that case we have to take minus. Since if it is more, then we have taken plus. Since it is less, then we have taken minus. That is the number itself minus 2, and we have to take the 2 square, since the number is 2 shortest than the 100. So 98 minus 2, that will give you 96, and the square of 2, that will give me 4, but you have to write 2 digit. So 0, 4. There is no harm to write it a 2 digit to get the correct answer. So 9604 is the square of 98. Isn't it very easy and interesting? So if you follow this trick, you will get the correct answer. Also, you can save your time. So if you like my video, please do follow, do subscribe, and do share my videos. Thank you very much for watching.